Okay, so traditionally, when you're setting up for a podcast, a video, or a talking head video like myself, like I'm doing right now, you will need a few equipment. You need a microphone that probably looks like this. You will need a lot of cables, and depending on your audio interface, you'll probably need some sort of preamp, a cloud lifter, one of the common ones, or you could have another device such as the fed head or the compressor or any other device. This is the compressor from Triton Audio. It's also a very good preamp as well, which I own one of them. But what if you can do without all the clutter, without all the cables? What if you're in a place where you don't have cables or you don't want to have cables? What do? I have seen a video where someone actually did, shout out to Tom Bach, who actually did a wireless version of the SM7B microphone. But that is chunky and bulky. And what if you don't want to do cables and have a chunky setup? What if you just want an all-in-one plug and play? Maybe you're not a professional audio person like most people are, or you just want a simple setup. Will there be a way to actually get good wireless audio while still maintaining a professional setup that's aesthetically, boom? Maono solve that problem. Now, this one pack has everything you need except the cables. You have your professional arm, your microphone, and it has a trick. It's completely wireless, and you can still use it with wires if you want, but you have that option to have good quality audio without the cables. So let's go ahead and unbox this. All right, now this is a trusted brand. I already own the audio interface, which I use for my live stream. Sounds great. It's budget and it's pretty decent, right? But one thing about this is the first ever dynamic microphone made for podcasting. This is the first ever podcast wireless microphone, apart from the ones that you can attach like a lav mic. This is the full setup and wireless, and you get up to, wait for it, 60 hours of battery life. That's a bold statement. 60 hours, and you still get to keep your USB setup, or you can just go wireless. So let me stop talking and let me unbox this PD200W wireless dynamic microphone. That's a mouthful. All right. Packaging is quite it's quite interesting here with the packaging. What do you have? You have what it is. This is the Maono #1 best-selling internet microphone worldwide, no doubt about that. PD200W is showing you how you can use it. You can have your monitor in here, send it straight to your camera, or oh, you have like an adapter. You can still send it to your camera. You can plug it directly through USB to your phone. You could plug it to your computer directly, or you can just use it wirelessly to the dongle. And that's just awesome. And it comes with a boom arm. And so if you want your traditional microphone XLR, plug it in and get ready to go. You have full user manual here with how to clamp, all that good stuff. Ooh, interesting packaging. So you have this box. This is the wireless dongle. Pretty nice packaging if you ask me. This is the wireless receiver. Oh, it just fell off. You got a rubber here. This is the receiver. This goes to your laptop. You turn it on to power it on, and it has USB pass-through, which is pretty useful if you need to charge your device and keep your devices all juiced up. And right now you're hearing me from my Sennheiser microphone. This is an XLR microphone, so this would be a good basis to judge the audio quality that you get. Again, this is not a dynamic microphone, so there will be a huge difference in how it sounds. You get a USB dongle here. Maybe you want to connect your receiver to a tight spot. This would be extremely useful, and it converts from USB-C to your regular old USB. And this is the microphone. Pretty decent. You have your regular dynamic setup here. You have your XLR in, which is still good. You have the power on button, and you also have an headphone for monitoring. You have your USB here. And if you just pair this and you just plug in your wireless adapter to your laptop or your audio source, you can just have wireless audio recorded straight to your laptop, which is interesting. This is the base for the handle. And what else do we have here? We have the boom arm. Interesting. Wow, that is so cool. That is so cool, and that's about it. So let's plug this sucker up. Well, like I mentioned earlier, there are a few ways you can actually use the microphone. Now it's being used directly, just like a regular microphone. It's going straight into my audio interface, and it's set around 12 o'clock for the gain, and it's pretty decent. Good noise rejection, snapping all the way, and it's picking up clean and clear audio compared to my other microphone actually, which is the MK. Now this is my older microphone, which is a little bit around similar distance to my mouth. It's right here on the desk, and this is a condenser microphone compared to this, which is a dynamic microphone, which will pick up your voice way better and has better noise rejection. So this is a very good audio quality, low self noise, and I'm not even engaging the wireless features yet. This is just the microphone plugged in as a traditional microphone. So if you like the old cloud or cable one, then you can still use it if you don't want to use it with the wireless dongle system. Where it gets really interesting is when you connect the wireless dongle to maybe your phone or your laptop or anything, in this case my phone, and let's power this. So now you listen to the audio from the wireless system, and this is what it sounds like with the wireless system. Let me know if you guys actually like it.